So that way I think we are fortunate, but still yes, a lot of things needs to be done on the health side for sure. SNM hospital just been upgraded. We have a medical college section. We have a medical college post being created, and those posts is very soon going to be advertised. So I mean, yes, I mean we can expect in coming another 5 years or 10 years, we should be having good manpower, good team, good facilities, infrastructure wise, machinery wise. Also machinery wise also now we are strengthened. We have all advanced machines are now coming up in the dark. Our doctors are also accordingly trained. We send them to different exposure trainings. Even some of our doctors, they go to foreign countries also for training. Recently, some of doctors they've been to Taiwan. So these are happening. Even doctors themselves are very enthused. They want to learn more. They are also hungry to learn new technology. So that is also something very fortunate for us. Yes. So I think things are gradually improving. So that will be empowered. So we can expect for a better future in coming days, especially in health. As far as hemophilia is concerned, my only advice to our doctors that we should identify such cases, and we should be able to form a society. At least we should be knowing that how many cases are existing, and they should also be made aware of the fatal situation. It can happen, especially hemophilia. In times of accident, it can be very fatal. So I think that way, if such cases exist, you should be able to tell them that you need to be very careful, and wherever you're going, I mean, they should carry in their bags or pockets some ID card with saying that I am diagnosed with hemophilia. So I have to be taken care specially. So otherwise, it can be very fatal. Especially if somebody is traveling alone. Yes. If some accidents happen and there is no immediate rescue. Very good. So that situation it can be very dangerous. So to avoid it, I think the only option is, because it doesn't have a cure, it doesn't cure. So only thing what we can do is to make people aware. That is the advice I would like to give to my team of doctors here. And I think it's hereditary also.
It's hereditary. Certain 30% cases are acquired. They don't have. They have other diseases, and then they develop antibodies against the factor. So they can be adults or elderly.
So yes, I think very interesting discussion, and thank you once again. As far as the machinery requirement you suggested, surely we'll have a discussion with our team, and we want to provide the best facilities for our people, and we are very positive about it.
Big clap for the all are lucky that
that he is this time in the chair.
We'll very soon we'll have a discussion. We'll discuss in detail and we'll take a call. So that's it. So thank you once again to you and your team coming to Ladakh. Gratitude from us. Thank you.
Ladakh we didn't do because until recently Ladakh was forming part of the Jammu Kashmir state, where we did programs in Jammu and in Srinagar, but Ladakh was left out. And now for some years we were thinking Ladakh should also be brought under the same fold called the Ladakh Health Dialogues. If it is going to be an ongoing thing and it covers all problems, not only the blood but all problems, this would form the first part of it, that is the Ladakh Health Dialogue 2025. In fact, it is so fascinating that we in medical science think that if you are in Ladakh and you are sitting in a shade and your feet are, you are sitting in the sun because you like to enjoy the sun, and your feet are in the shade, in the shade, you might develop heat stroke because of the heat and the dry heat. That's why the tea that they drink, Gurgur chai, has all salt and fat. So you might develop a heat stroke or heat illness, and your feet will develop chilblains. Very fascinating. When we realized, we claimed that these desert landscapes also have this sand, and this sand flows in the air. It causes certain medical problems which you don't see anywhere else in the world. Silicosis is common in Leh, it is not Turkey. But then the silicosis medical book, you take anyone, would tell you it is an occupational lung disease. In Leh, it is not an occupational lung disease. It is not their occupation that is working, and these things, when they fly in the air in Leh, they cause many problems. And last month when we were interacting, since then we are seeing that the lung problems are very common. As for the blood, it was even more fascinating, and we were having some talks in the earlier part of the day. Blood is something that should be given in bounty to the Ladakh people, because they are staying at a high altitude of 11,300 feet.
APTT was not done. So dear colleagues, it's a request that, and a request by me to the Honorable Chief Guest, that such equipment is not very costly. Reagent, as I said earlier in my lecture, purchase only those reagents. Discuss the issue before purchasing the reagent at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, PGI, wherever they are having good results, I think we must say.
In COVID, as you remember, NL ratio, so neutrophils to lymphocyte ratio, if it is more than 2, it is suggestive of a severe COVID disease. So similarly in leukopenia, so sepsis is a you can say a two-edged sword. It can both cause leukocytosis and leukopenia. So when the immune mechanism is totally depressed, then sepsis can lead to leukopenia also. And SLE and influenza, yes, they can also lead to leukopenia in one of them.
ngatai mima sinanga ngata thaga iskore zumo khachi ki zuru yapcha gaun ngata patama service kan nikale yezuna bleeding disorders and thakma po bing pinches me kale sujiyas natakma po bing kanji soina thakma po bing kanji ya ngata menses blood ma po yong khandi sugma ma po yong te thona khachi ga zumo yong gazu zumo zene thak mi khyas zumo dewa ta hemophilia zene ngata jamsik thak dewa se fox se thak bing chi de thak po khyas bosam ma khyas na thak po bin chana tene ma jixpai ma thak ma pe bing na de control ma chana ta kasma te sok si zumo ngata gyut la yong chi shen te sos pasang de zumo ni skor la ngata mima ta giz met kya ngata healthcare workers la ma pe giz met kya ngata shak chi du si yot me da hai sam na test which is facility met kya test which is facility met pasang te ina me na ta chi pa du si indo da chesi me na ta du si drinks ko ma chalo yong test ni tuz la le ngata mima samyan mang ko te gi zumo ji du at mindu ga ta chesi test which is na chi tene te zu chi gyot ka de na ngata elas which is si thaps nu ngata ik khom chesi ngata mixi de no le Bring hemophilia and health collective of the north the cons of senior doctor के कॉल दरकन नाम डॉक्टर नरेश गुप्ता खोज किसके उत्ते देवना खोज टोपा बंच की किसके उत्ते खोज नता डॉक्टर मुल्ला नता मन ग्याला एक खोज लेक्चर खचिक सबले तेने ऑनरेबल चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल कॉर्नर्स के उत्ते एक नता लज्जा साल से उनसे सिर्फ 2 लाख खोज ची चोंगियन चीज उत्ते समझ को नता लम्सन दिस पस्पा लम्सन साथ तेरे के प्रसंग अंगता योंसे से तुझला इज़ुमोन ने हम गजुक से थाप सिक्के नता दोलन चन तेरे को पता एक दिन नता लम्सन मागियाले थॉप्सन कस जो